Hello friends, welcome to IT Fun. Today's video is for downloading PyCharm. So wish you a happy new year. Search on Google PyCharm download. Go to the first link. Click on www.jetbrains.com. This is the latest version 2021.3.1. 29 December it's last updated. This is paid version. We will go for free version, community version. Click on start download. After downloading it, open the folder where you have downloaded. Yes, click on yes. And next. Next. Click on next. And fill all the boxes. All the boxes fill. Okay. This also fill. .py. And click on next. Click on install. JetBrains install. Okay. It will take time to download or set up. And okay, open the folder, right click on any folder and it will open. When you will right click on that folder, open folder as PyCharm community addition project, and after that it will shows like that. It will opening. So agree with term and agreement. Click on here and continue. Data sharing. Don't send any data. Click on don't send. Okay. And trust projects. Yes, trust. This folder you are trusted or not. Just they are asking. Community just asking that. Okay. In this video, we are successfully downloaded our PyCharm and print hello friends. I print hello friends, type here print and then give parenthesis, under parenthesis give a double inverted comma and write hello friend. It will print successfully, and here in this button click, it will run here and you will be able to see that. And you also can write here happy new year, see, and run here and see here happy new year. It print happy new year, 2022. It will also shows. Thank you for watching this video.